Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting a new series with introduction to blogging and affiliate marketing as a side hustle while doing the things that you love. Blogging and affiliate marketing are like CMS twins. Blog is the channel while the affiliate provides the product you promote on your blog. So having both as a beginner will help you accomplish your goal of earning an affiliate income or commission. So our tutorial is created to help you through the process of starting a blog quickly and the tools you need to make the most of your experience in the digital economy, while we provide you with easy to follow guidelines on blogging basics, the anatomy of a good blog, and the tools required to get started and how to monetize your blog so you start earning a recurring revenue. Also, you will get advice on picking a blog topic, choosing a domain name and a host, writing your first post, planning an editorial calendar, and using your blog as an essential part of your brand. The good news today is we will set up free blogs for the first 10 people who will comment, like, and share our video. But remember, you'll be responsible for your domain name registration and hosting. I talk to many people about blogs, many of whom know that you find blogs online, but some also have the impression that all blogs are written by extreme thinkers, cranky complainers, or fashion-obsessed online influencers. Some blogs are diaries in which the blog record day-to-day life activities, though blogs are often much more than that. Here is an example of one of our blogs where we market our affiliate products, and at the same time, we also earn from ad revenue, then sponsored deals, and the sponsored content. So that's what your blog can actually do for you. It is just like a piece of real estate. Blogging has become a popular way to build your brand and earn extra income. It is exciting and energetic space online that people are using to share their life stories, build communities, and create personal brand platforms and earn extra income in the form of advertising, sponsorship deals, and sales of digital and physical product online. Bloggers are partnering with businesses, and businesses are even creating blogs to reach their audience wherever they're hanging online. But what exactly do all these people mean when they say they have a blog? And what does a blog written by a beginner have in common with one written by a CEO of a company? Think of a blog this way. It is a kind of a website. All blogs are websites, but not all websites are blogs. So a blog can be many things like a news source, a photo gallery, or even a corporate marketing tool. So don't be too hard on yourself if you aren't exactly sure what a blog is. The word blog originated from a mashup of two other words, web and blog. That's where you have weblog, which is a website that contains a log or diary of information, specific topics or opinions. While a blog is a short form of a weblog, a frequently updated web page used for personal commentaries or business content. So when I was growing up, my grandpa used to keep a chronological order of assignment he gave to us, which he reviewed regularly. The difference is that he keeps it in his memory. While now we have a virtual space where we log in those activities which is called a blog. So there's a golden opportunity in today's digital economy. With an idea, a domain name, you can build a successful online business. Are you ready to make your mark on the online world? Are you ready to join our blog network? Let's get started. Drop a message for us to get started. Thank you for watching. Our next video will be how people use blog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel till we meet next week. Have a great day.